Welcome to our Chaikin session regarding how to find a Chaikin Analytics classic bull as well as a classic bear. We're going to spend some time talking about what exactly a classic bull and a classic bear is, and then we'll help you how to find them. So for a classic bull, what we're looking for is for a stock that has strong growth likelihood led by the power gauge rating with also an improvement with our technical factors here. Atmos Energy is our example, and you look down at the bottom of the page to see the history of the power gauge rating for the stock. Notice how it's been mostly bullish since the middle of July. Again, this is a classically bullish stock that has also seen the growth go right along as expected. Now, another sign of a classic bull is that you'd like it to be above its long-term trend here, identified by this yellow-orange line. Well, in addition to having a stock above its long-term trend and having the confidence of the power gauge rating, you want to see that institutions are also putting money into this stock, which has been the case, of course, since about August. On top of relative strength, on top of money flow, you also want to see that the stock has been outperforming as indicated by relative strength here. Your opportunity to enter a position with Atmos here could be when the stock is oversold here. Of course, making sure that all of the technical factors line up, you maintain your bullish power gauge rating, and of course that the stock continues to experience growth as indicated. For a classic bear example, let's take a look at Yelp. This is a stock that has been predominantly bearish, overwhelmingly with a bearish power gauge rating, and below its long-term average for quite a while now. Also, helpful complementary information includes Chaikin money flow, which is mostly negative, as well as relative strength, constantly underperforming the market. This is a great opportunity to short a stock when you see that it's in an overbought position, for example. Now, how do we find examples like this? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at our screener. And when we reset our screener, you'll go right into the power gauge rating. We'll start with a bullish, classic bull example. Go right to Chaikin Analytics, look for a very bullish power gauge rating. And just like we saw on the chart, look for price level to be above the long-term trend line. And go ahead and screen. Now, in order to drill down and identify an ideal entry point, think about using a buy signal such as an oversold buy position. Now, this will keep you with the responsibility that you still want to analyze the relative strength as well as money flow. Ideally, you'll find an oversold position when the market is oversold. Right now, as of the recording of our session, the market's a bit more overbought, as we'll see with bearish ones. So your other option for classic bears, again, if you're looking for an opportunity that you can short, look for a very bearish rating. Or perhaps you can also utilize bearish persistency, right? So make sure that you've seen a very bearish stock. Go down to price level, make sure that it's been below its long-term trend line. We'll go ahead and screen and see our initial population. Looking at 193 examples of classic bears out there. And then, of course, our signal, if we really want to drill down, let's take a look to see if there are any overbought sell signals. And, I'll open myself up to see if there's been anything over the past 2 days and screen. And here are 7 examples for me. So this is a great opportunity where you can identify stocks that are trending in a certain direction based on your orientation. If you're looking for a longer-term play to buy, look for a classic bull. If you're looking for an opportunity that you can short, look for a classic bear. Don't forget, we provide plenty of support in order to define a classic bull or a classic bear. Consider our Finding Longs and Shorts document that provides you with a reminder of the details we've spoken about today, both from a classic bull, classic bear position, as well as what a turnaround looks like if you're looking for the initial stages for a stock as it becomes a classically bullish stock. So that's all for us. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.